Hi, I'm Praveen, CTO and co-founder of AITS. Today, I'm going to showcase how you can bring the person detection use case to Arduino Nano using our tinyML platform cAInvas and our homegrown deepSea compiler that is optimized for tinyML and edge devices. You can check out our project GitHub link in the description. Let's start with our cAInvas platform. Here's our notebook. We import and prepare our datasets. We develop our model, which has convolution, max pool, fully connected layers, along with support for various activation functions such as ReLU and sigmoid. Our model has roughly 4,000 parameters. We train our model. We've achieved an accuracy of 81%. Next, we're going to take the model, evaluate it with both the TensorFlow runtime and the deepSea workflow. As you can see, the deepSea workflow achieves the accuracy bit for bit, same as the TensorFlow prediction. Next, we compile the model into a library for Arduino Nano, and this library will be integrated with the application. The library size is roughly 82 kilobytes. So I've linked the deepSea binary with my Arduino application and flashed it to this Arduino. As you can see, the LED is red because there is no person detected in the camera frame. You will see the LED turn green when I get in front of the camera. And as I come out of the frame, you'll see the LED turn red again. One more time. As I get in front of the camera, you will see the prediction turning to person detected. And as I get out of the frame, you will see the LED turn red again. So this concludes our demo. Thank you so much, and check out our AITS links in the description. Thank you.